One of the most powerful apps on your Mac is Preview, and it is loaded with your Mac. You don't have to download anything. So in order to open Preview, you can just open a PDF. So if you have a PDF handy, you can just double click it, or you can always go into Spotlight, and that will open it. As you can see down here, the icon came into my dock, and now there's a little dot under it. That means that the app is open. So I'm going to double click on my PDF, open my PDF. So now this opens Preview. You can notice that Preview is open because it says it right here. Now Preview is very handy because you can do many things with it. So first click on the markup bar and we can annotate this. To annotate, click the T and then you can start typing in what you want. Now this is kind of hard to see, so we can change the color. Click it, click the A, click the color box, and I want it red. And maybe it would be good to put it somewhere easier to see. There really isn't any place on this cover where I can see this. So I'm going to fill in the background by clicking the background. I'm going to click white, and now I have some annotation. If I want to draw shapes, I can click the shapes, click what shape I want. I want this to be transparent in the middle, so I'll take out the color. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, and now I'm going to resize it. If you want to draw attention to it, I can draw an arrow. When you're done, you can click File and Save. And next time I open the PDF, those annotations are still there. What's cool about this is that even though I annotated it, I can still edit these. So give Preview a try. It's a great app and it will help you in your work.